Alrighty guys, Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. We have a completed job, one that we did not too long ago, where we had fitted a steel canopy. Well, no, this one's aluminium. I can know from the touch and feel. I'm one of them X-Men lads. Anyway, I've got a spidey sense, that's it. Right, so I've got a customer in here. We've got an aluminium canopy that's been fitted. We had an extended tradesman rack that was fitted. Initially, the setup was for work, but the customer is now using the vehicle more for a camping reason, for pleasure. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this extended tradesman rack. We're going to fit some crossbars, and we're going to also fit a customer supplied rooftop tent. And we just wanted to put a little video together, of course, so to show you guys just how many different options that you've got available when it comes to these steel or aluminium canopies. So also I believe an awning is going on there as well. So other than that, all this yapping aside, let's get right into it.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ayy, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella, ayy. Getting fed up, nothing you could tell us. Snapping every shot I take, just wait till it develops. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking about. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking about. Say what? Look.
AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with a big dog, I could get the highs and the lows. 5-star suite, she ain't never going home. New Kelly Birkin, red bottoms on her soul. Maybach Virgil, only 150 sold. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Get out my face. Nacho's back, now you rockin' a Bronny jersey. I been seeing them sirens when we stopping on Jakes, we gon' go for a chase or something. More money, more problems, so give me the money, cause you know I'm a problem solver. I do what I want, and you do what you can't, little I'm by the box. Take a look at my drip chat, take a look at the crib, drip chat. Take a look at the whips, drip chat. Take a look at the chain, drip chat. Look, I stayed up with G, I'm rockin' no Gucci, I'm 27 like it's the clock. I got the keys in my gonna drive it, only should be spinning the block. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Froze a bit, ice on my chain. Oh, the more got a plain Jane. The money driving insane. I made my first meal before the fame. Candy paint dripping, got me moving like a pimp. Cashed out straight, got it from the dealership. The BOA, TD Tandy, Chevy or the Chase. Trap, at the shoebox before the bank. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with it.
You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? It paid your fees, flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear, my dear. Staring in your face to face with the mirror, like a zero. No one's got it figured. Don't need a mask or a hero, like a zero.
Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the process of us getting that tradesman rack off, getting these racks on, and getting this Kig's rooftop tent and awning fitted on this Ford Ranger. For a second there, I forgot what it was. Anyway, very, very straightforward. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these in the pipeline. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.